What are trapezoids and how can you solve for its area? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, before we jump into yung lesson natin today, just a quick little plug. If you want to help support this channel and our cause to democratize education in the Philippines, one way that you can do that is through buying our merch like this hoodie right here, yung ating Never Stop Learning hoodie. You can find them sa shop.teamlaika.com. Yung proceeds there help us fund yung ating mga ginagawa, all our scholars, etc. So for those of you na bumili na, thank you sa inyong lahat. Sa mga bibili pa lang, thank you rin. Sa mga hindi kayang bumili, that's okay. Again, this is all of us, the entire Team Laika from everywhere pitching in to make sure that we can keep creating free content for all of you. So salamat sa inyong lahat. And now that we have that out of the way, let me jump into our discussion. I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, so ito yung lesson natin sa area and perimeter of trapezoids. But before we do that, just a quick little reminder. We had a discussion about parallelograms before, and ang definition niya is that it is a flat shape made with 4 straight sides with opposite sides that are congruent and parallel. And dun sa video na yon, which ililink ko rin dito sa taas I button, ay na-determine natin na ang trapezoid ay hindi parallelogram. Okay, bakit? Kasi ganito yung itsura niya, and yung dalawa sa sides niya, if you extend them, okay, dire-diretso, eventually magmi-meet sila at a certain point. So, hindi sila parallel. Okay? But, dahil 4 yung sides niya, it's usually grouped together here. And meron ding pagkakahawig yung mga formula niya, which is a good way for you to remember it, lalo na pagdating sa exams. Kaya, pag-uusapan din natin yan ngayon. Okay? Now, ano ba ang trapezoid? A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. Now, balikan natin kung ano ibig sabihin ng quadrilateral. Ang susi dyan is this part right here that says quad. Pag quad, quarter, diba, quadrangle, ibig sabihin 4. Now, does a trapezoid have 4 sides? Yes, you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, 4 sides siya. Tapos, ang requirement is that it has to have at least 1 pair. Okay? This is very important. At least 1 pair of parallel sides. So, meron bang parallel dito? Yes, it's this right here, na kahit i-extend mo hanggang dulo ay hindi mamimit ang side na ito. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, a trapezoid is, again, a quadrilateral, 4 sides, na at least isa dun sa opposite na sides ay parallel. Okay. Now, let's push it a little further. Okay? Kung ang definition ng trapezoid is that at least 1 pair parallel sides ang requirement natin, is a square a trapezoid? Now, tingnan natin ulit yung definition. Quadrilateral ba ang square? You have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. At meron ba siyang at least 1 pair? At least lang naman di ba yung sinabi? At least 1 pair, it could be more. It could be 2 pairs ng parallel sides. Now, dahil ito, di ba? At ito ay parallel. Tapos, ito rin. At ito ay parallel. So, you have 2 pairs. First pair, second pair. A square is actually a trapezoid. But, a trapezoid is not a square. Okay? Just for those tricky questions sa college entrance test ninyo or even sa quizzes or modules ninyo. Again kung ang definition ng teacher ninyo, kasi I've heard that other people don't define it this way, pero officially yun talaga ang definition ng trapezoid kasi a quadrilateral with at least 1 pair of parallel sides. A square is a trapezoid, but a trapezoid is not a square. Okay? Okay, so we'll try to get yung area and perimeter na ng trapezoid. Ang formula ng perimeter ng trapezoid is A plus B plus C plus D. Basically, i-add mo lang lahat ng sides na yan. If you want to be super strict, kasi yun din yung gagamitin dun sa area na formula, we can call yung dalawang sides na parallel na magkaiba ng length, okay? Kasi ganun yung mga trapezoid natin, as A and B. Okay? So we could say this is A, this is B, tapos itong C and D pwede nang interchangeable yan. Okay? So kung gusto ko siyang isolve, I could put 8 plus 10 plus 9 plus 9. Okay? Yan na yung perimeter natin. So this is 8 plus 10 is 18, 9 and 9 is another 18. So dalawang 18 na lang, that is 36. Okay? So 36 units. Kung ano man yan. Kung centimeter, meter, inch, or whatever. Now, doon naman sa area, ang formula niya is A plus B over 2 multiplied by H. Now, ano ba tong mga to? Again, yung A plus B natin would be yung sides na parallel, na magkaiba ang sukat, tapos i-divide natin yan sa 2. Now, bakit kaya ganun? And again, we're just using visual representation here para mas maging, or mas mag-make sense yung formula. Kasi it does look a lot like base times height, di ba? Or length times width, na formula naman ng rectangle. Base times height, formula yan ng ating mga rhombus. And yung length times width naman, ang formula naman ng ating rectangle. Now, magkahawig yan, maliban sa instead of B, ang nakalagay is A plus B over 2. Bakit? Kasi if you think about it, kung gugupitin ko tong side na to, tong part na to, tapos ilalagay ko siya dito, okay? Kasi straight naman ito, no? Lalagay ko siya dito, it would actually form a rectangle. Kamukha na siya ng rectangle. Okay? It just so happened na, again, ang tinatawag natin dito, itong vertical line na yan, we call it the height. Kasi hindi naman siya side hindi naman siya length or width naman talaga. Okay? So again, that's another way of thinking about it, looking at things. Now, kung isosolve na natin ito, you have A plus B, so that is 8, plus B is 10, all over 2 times the height. Height natin is 8. Now, again, hindi siya side. Yung height, yung taas ang hinahanap natin. So, it has to be a line that crosses yung span ng shape. Connects yung top hanggang dun sa dun sa kanyang bottom na side. Okay? So, ang height natin is 8. Okay? So, i-multiply lang natin yan. So, you have 8 plus 10, that is 18 over 2 times 8 or 9 times 8. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang area is 72 units squared. Again, very important yung unit ha. Kapag area ang pinag-uusapan, squared siya. Meter squared, kilometer squared, centimeters squared. Okay? Alright, now the best way for us to know if nakuha nyo siya is through a quick quiz. So if you're ready with your pen and paper, your timer starts now. Alright, let's see how you did. So ito yung ating trapezoid. Again, if you want to be really strict about it, let's call this A, let's call this B. Pwede na yung C and D. So to add everything para sa ating perimeter, we will just add 11 plus 17 plus 10 plus 10. So this is 28 plus another 20, so 48 units. Sa area naman, so dito tayo sa 11 plus 17 all over 2 times the height, which is 8. So this is 28 over 2 times 8. 14, kasi 28 divided by 2 is 14 times 8. Or, gawin na lang natin na 8 times 10, 80, plus 8 times 4, 8, 16, 24, 32. So 80 plus 32, that is 112 units squared. Okay? So yan yung sagot natin. 48 units ang perimeter and 112 units squared naman ang area. Okay? All right. Now, I hope you got both correctly. If you didn't, that's okay. I'll be posting more questions on my Instagram account. So if you don't follow me yet, you can follow me at Laika Maravillo on Instagram for the new quick quiz questions that I post sa Instagram stories. And you can also follow at Team Laika for the throwback quick quiz questions and announcements din sa ating mga events at marami pang iba.
Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends and mag-exam din sila. Dati mas marami tayong matutulungan. And as always, if you want to reach out to me directly, get reviewers that I made, join the online or live review events, you can go to www.facebook.com/teamlaika for more information. Don't forget rin to subscribe, hit that bell icon. We have more videos coming up. I would hate for you to miss those. And as we always say sa channel na to, never stop learning. Adja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video and bye for now.